There we go, baby. There we go. Yes. It's fish hunting time. Ooh, it's cold. Just unloaded the truck, got the house. We're gonna trek out to kind of the same spot we go each time. So let's get this bad boy on the ice. What's up, y'all? Welcome to my crib. Ice fishing edition. Let me show y'all around. All right, y'all, so welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. We are back out on the ice today. I'm by myself. It's mid-afternoon. I actually set up the ice house today. It's pretty cold. It's right around 0 degrees Fahrenheit right now, but it's supposed to get, in the next couple days, with a wind chill like -40, -50. So we're just coming out for a couple hours here right now. See if we can catch some fish midday before it gets really cold. And we're supposed to get like 8 to 10 inches of snow here in Minnesota. So we're supposed to get a little bit of a blizzard, 40, 50 mile an hour winds. It's gonna be pretty crazy. So yeah, this is my setup. I got a Clam Trap Voyager. It's the big one, so which is nice. The only bummer is it doesn't fit in the bed of my truck without having the tailgate down. That's kind of a bummer, but let me show you around. So here's my, get these down here. Here's my crib. I got a front window, see out onto the lake. I got my Markham VX1 here in the water. I did mark a few fish in this spot before I started setting up shop. So I know there's some activity down there. We're at about 7.5, 8 feet of water. So again, I know I went over this before. Shows up goofy on camera, but this is the, so 0 is the top of the lake, top of the ice. This big thick red line at the 7.5, 8 feet is the bottom. As fish come in, there will be green. As fish come in, there will be green lines that pop up right here. And then when I drop my lure in, like today I'm fishing with just a small little spoon, and I'm gonna do wax worms. And so then as I drop it in, I can see mine come down. I can see where fish are at, depending on how deep I am. I can kind of move up and down. So that thing is a necessity ice fishing. I found out the hard way. But I did drill 2 holes. Then I got my shack. I only set up one of the seats. I got a second seat right here. Brought my Mr. Heater just in case. One of my favorite things that I got this year that's different from last year is I just bought a hand auger, a StrikeMaster hand auger that I got it just on Marketplace for pretty cheap. And then I bought a drill adapter and then hooked it up to my drill. And then I can drill holes in the ice without having my big huge gas auger, which there's a lot of people that have like the K drills and the Ion, the battery ones and stuff, which would be nice. But mine was a big old StrikeMaster, tend to leak gas, and it was just a mess. So this thing has been a lifesaver. Might upgrade it to a K drill at some point just to get a little bit more length on it, but this has worked pretty good so far. So I got my rod set up. Like I said, I'm gonna fish with wax worms today. We'll drop them in, see if we can get something here. Go out for a couple hours before the weather gets nasty. The other thing that was huge for me, I bought this at Harbor Freight. It's just a Braun. It's a 36-inch. It's actually made, it's got magnets on the end. It's made to go under the hood of your car, and as you're working, it's supposed to stick to the hood. But it perfectly fits over the bar, the crossbar on my ice house. The plastic ends do. So it just comes off, and the ends fold in, like this. And then I fold it up, and it perfectly fits over the bar. Perfectly fits over the bar. So then now I got a nice big LED light. We did try it out one evening and it really lit up the house really nice, which was fun. So I'm gonna get a worm on my lure and get her in the water and see if we can catch any fish. Like I said, I'm in about 8 feet of water, 7.5, 8 feet of water. There's a lot of activity. The moment I dropped down, and like I said, I marked a few fish before I set up. So, yeah, just in case. So I'm about 2 feet off the bottom, I'd say. And there we go, baby. There you go. It's a little sunny. There he is. There we go. There we go. Got another one. Oh, just a tiny little guy. Just a little stinker. Oh, guys. Since we got out here, it started to... So we are in a blizzard warning here in southern Minnesota. And since we got out here, it started snowing. I can barely see across the lake. But I left the back of my truck open. So I'm gonna go close it because I don't want it to fill with snow. Even though it's super cold, man, I love the snow. There we go, baby. There we go. Yes. Whoa. No. Look at this big dog. This is one of the... Come on, baby. Focus for me here. There. This is one of the bigger sunnies I've caught in a while. This is a really good... Look at this guy. Huh? That's a pretty good looking guy here. He's thick. Nice. I'm glad I stayed. Thanks, buddy. Hello. Hi, buddy. Here, hold on. I got a fish.
Oh, nice.
A tiny little stinker. Beep, 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 beep. Here, hold on. I gotta film part of this. Got a tiny little stinker, probably 4 inches. I dropped my line down and it was down for a matter of, I don't know, 8 seconds. And he left me my worm. As you guys can tell on camera, I'm talking to my father. FaceTime. Dad, say hello.
Hi there.
He's sitting right there on the chair.
I don't know why I said it like that.
We got another one, but he's just a little stinker. He's only probably 4 inches long. He bit pretty hard though. All right, guys, that is going to wrap up ice fishing today. We got 7 fish total. 5 pretty decent sized sunnies, 1 little sunny, and then 1 little crappie. But so 7 fish today was a successful, I would feel like it's kind of a successful outing. Really hoping one of these times we get a few big ones so we can do some catch and cook. I'd love to do a catch and cook video. I've never done one before on this channel, so I'd love to do it. But if you dig today's content, guys, please hit that thumbs up button, hit that red subscribe button to not miss my next episode. Maybe it's ice fishing, maybe it's a car review, maybe it's snowmobiling, who knows? That's the joy of this channel, baby. We keep everybody on their toes. So thanks again for watching, guys, and with that, we'll catch you on the next adventure. Bye! Whew, snowy day, baby. This is a big sled to pull.